Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online for watching ads of company you already like and know. In this website you can create income online. Start from today. No experience needed. If you would like to learn even more ways to create money online, no experience needed. Please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon so every time I will publish a brand new content, you will be notified. Let's go to my computer now. Okay guys, let's get to business. So, money for watching ads. This is a very simple method to use for making money online. Everyone can do it, no experience needed. And all you need to do is to come to Google, search for AdWallet. This website is called AdWallet, where you can get paid for watching ads. So as you can see, this is the home page, and it says brands wants your attention, make them buy it. Basically what you're gonna do is to sign up, enter your details and sign up, and then you can start make money online from this website. Let's read it. Get rewarded for watching videos and completing online service from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3 plus unlock exclusive offer, and you will see they actually pay more than $3. You can get up to 10 and even more only for watching one ad. Earn real money online from your favorite brands. Watch videos, ways to earn, get rewarded, make more money. You receive a text when it's time to log in to watch short video, handpicked just for you. Answer a related question that take a short survey. Reveal your email. You'll earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for your full attention, and even more ways to make money. Earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offer from brand you love, so you can bring other friends and other people, and if they will do it, you will get rewarded. And when you reach $10, it's cash out, guys. You can make money online after very few ads that you need to watch. No catch, gimmicks, or confusing point systems. It's real cash. So you can see this number, which is the cash and reward payout of to people just like you in our first 12 months. I can't stress this enough, guys. This website pays real money for you online, no experience needed, only for watching ads. Money for watching ads, easy method to get money online. It's easy to get paid, to watch video ads and complete online service. We offer 4 ways to get paid. Choose what you want. So they transfer into the bank, e-gift, donation, and more. You can see people that did it, they love it, they telling you about it. Real people. It's not a scam, it's a real website. Okay? Look at this number. This number is huge, guy. And this number is brand spent $250 billion last year just to get your attention. It's just insane. But you didn't see a nickel of it. Instead, it was paid to the largest social media and internet companies in the world who took your data and in many cases abused it, and then clutter up your personal feed and browse with zillion of ads. That's why we started AdWallet. We believe if anyone should be paid for your attention and data, it should be you. Like duh. And you guys can see here like FAQ about this website. You can see what kind of advertising using this website, and you can see there are very large like Geico, Citibank, Airbnb, Corona Beer, Nissan, the car company, and more. What is the catch? There isn't one. AdWallet believes your full attention is worth something. Don't you? Guys, you can go to this website right now and make money for watching ads. That's it. No experience needed. You don't need a website. You don't need to pay for advertising. Nothing. You will get paid for watching ads. You will get paid for their advertising. You can see it's a real website. Okay, so just go and sign up right now and watching ads. You can download it to your phone even, so you can do it like from everywhere, from the bus, from your home, from everywhere. Okay, if you're waiting somewhere, you can do it and make a lot of money online on a daily basis. No experience needed, just for watching ads. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most, what your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon, and if you will click on the bell notification icon, I'm going to make sure that you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published.